All right, guys, we are going to take a boat trip around the Lotus field. We got Donna. Donna's back.
I'm back.
Donna's with us.
All
right, let's come down.
I'm going to get that pillow.
Guys, another boat. Donna, you okay back there?
I'm doing okay.
We're all right. I've not spent this much time on the water on a tour.
This is not a good situation. Never don't talk.
I'm not. Here's my terrible tour. So this is our cabins, and this is what was under us last night. And you guys might be able to see, but there's fish that keep popping up in the water trying to eat us. Let's see if they want to come out. No, well, we're in a boat now, so they're probably running away. So I'm used to doing adventure tours, but Donna is not. But Donna, I want to say I am proud of you.
Yeah.
You are an absolute trooper.
Yeah, get me out of the jungle. The jungle, I tell you.
So, go right through the lotus field and grow right out of the water. Look at that. If you don't like mosquitoes, oh, they are in here.
Even if we're in this water.
Oh, let's get it. Oh, get out of here. Get off me, Blanche. And get an up close look at the beautiful lotus flowers.
Oh, thank you.
Beautiful. And then this one over here. Whoa. All right. We'll take over a second.
So this is the lotus stems with full of seed on top, and we just pick it up from the lotus field out there. And what we're gonna do is we
I don't want more.
take the seed off from the petal. So over here you can see the seed. Oh, the ladies have a knife.
Ah, nice.
Yes, it's a knife. We need knives very sharp. So we're gonna peel the skin off. Mm-hmm. And inside there is the black seeds, more like a nut. Sorry,
a nut.
The white seeds, more like a nut.
And what do people use them for? What do they do with them?
We're gonna cook the soup, grind it into powder to make cake, and we also have a little thing inside. You can drink things inside over here. You can use this as tea, lotus tea. And when you eat it, when it's fresh like this, it's sweet.
Oh yeah, let me see.
You okay, Donna?
I want to smell it.
Yeah.
You know,
I know, you smell everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Flowers, when it's in full pink bloom, are the flowers like just sold for decoration, or they turn to perfume?
People buy it, decorate the houses.
Yeah, okay.
Some of them also very common that the pagodas and temples.
Yeah.
They buy them and put on the wall too.
Okay. And do these turn into the flowers?
No, only the flowers only dry out.
Ah, okay.
And the petals only drop off.
They just fall off.
Yeah.
And that's in the center of the
lotus.
So the lotus, the beautiful part of the lotus that we know, grows around that,
yes,
and that
exactly.
is turned into food or whatever.
Yes.
Got it.
Food or making cakes, grind into the powder, or make lotus tea from the little thing in the center of the seed.
Awesome.